If you don't like spending money on gadgets but still need them, then build your own mini air compressor at home. First, grab a 12V DC motor with an air pump. You can often find these in old air mattresses or car air pumps. Disassemble it to get the motor and pump mechanism. Check if it's working by testing it with a power source. Next, prepare your air tank. Take a small bottle, drill a hole for the air hose, and attach a check valve to prevent leaks. Connect the air hose from the pump to the tank using strong adhesive. No leaks? Great! Add a pressure gauge if you want to monitor the pressure, and a pressure switch for automatic shutoff. Connect everything to a 12V battery or adapter. Test it out by pumping air and checking for leaks. And there you have it, a DIY mini air compressor perfect for small tasks. Happy building!